Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to solve one question from differentiation subject additional math exercise 12.4. So quotient 1a y equal 1 plus 2x by 5 minus x. So using quotient rule, I am going to solve this math. So before doing this, we need to know the quotient rule. Okay, so if y equal q by v, if we differentiate it dy by dx, we can write v squared, v just copy, and d by dx, u, differentiate u minus, u just copy, and d by dx, v. Okay. So using this formula, we can solve this math. Okay. So we can imagine that this part is v and this part is u. Okay. So we can write here v square. V square means 5 minus 5 minus square. Okay. And we just copy v means 5 minus x. And d by dx, u means 1 plus 2x minus u just copy u means 1 plus 2x d by dx v means 5 minus x. Okay. So 5 minus x is just copy, and here is 5 minus x. So if we differentiate 1 with respect to x, we can write 0. And this is plus. So if we differentiate with respect to x, 2x, so 2 is constant, just copy, and x differentiate with respect to x, it will be 1. Okay. So 1 plus 2x. So if we differentiate 5, it will be 0, and x differentiate with respect to x, it will be 1. Okay. So 5 minus x is just copying. So here, if we differentiate 5 minus x with respect to 0, with the 0, it will be whole term is 0. And if we differentiate 2 and 1, multiply 2. So if we differentiate 2 with 5, we can write 10. And if we multiply 2 with x, so it will be minus 2x. So the same thing happen here. If we differentiate this whole part with 0, it will be 0. We don't need to write this. So if we multiply minus 1 with this part, it will be minus plus 1 plus 1 and plus 2x. Okay. So this is minus 2x and this is plus 2x. We can cancel. So this is 10 plus 10 and this is plus 1. Okay, so we can write 11. So 5 minus x whole square. So this is the result of this math. Okay. So thank you very much.